Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Briana Marie.
Ain't nothing to it, real one. Ain't nothing to it, boss. Ain't nothing to it, real one.
So guys, it's your girl Briana Marie, and I'm coming back to you with another video. I'm going to be reviewing the James Charles palette, y'all. So this palette has been hyped all over Instagram, all over Facebook. Well, I don't know if it's Facebook. It probably has, but I haven't really seen it on Facebook. But Instagram, YouTube, I think semi-Facebook, and a lot of other places. But they recently opened up a Morphe store in Chicago. Well, Illinois. So I'm gonna say that, Illinois. And I didn't make it. My auntie, she was like, do you know somebody named James Charles? He's up here. Like, it was a lot of people up there. Oh, I wish I could have made it, but I did get the palette. I was not going to get the palette because I don't know, it just didn't appeal to me. But baby, let me tell you, when you see something and it doesn't appeal to you, try it because baby, this palette right here blew me away. Like, these colors, these pigments was phenomenal. Like, are just like plain green, plain yellow pigments, but these pigments are neon. To me, I don't know, it's so vibrant. But the only thing, like I said, the shimmer shades, they could have just threw up out of that palette and added the colors, some of the colors that were in the 35B palette. Here we have the James Charles packaging. It is very sleek, and also the person who made my intro, which is Michael at Michael.ny. If y'all are ever asking, y'all are forever asking who made the intro, and I tell y'all, Michael NY made it, and he made an intro of this picture right here. Like, this picture's bomb. Like, yo, this is art for real. Quickly shout out these brushes. Like, yo, y'all know I'm obsessed with glitter and diamonds and anything sparkly. Look at these, and I always wanted to try It Cosmetic brushes, but like, I had to get this set. Look at these brushes: a foundation brush, a contour brush. Let me show you the old 35B palette first so that you can get a gist of what I'm talking about. So I can see, okay, so this is the old 35B palette. I can see where he is like trying to mimic the shimmer shades, like right here and right here, you know, things like that. So he threw in browns as well. I don't know, I just think that it should be a colorful palette with just all mattes in it, like hella matte. This one is way bigger. Like, this is all you need in the palette. Like, it has browns in there that you can use, simple shades that you can use, and it has colorful shades. A lot of beautiful colors in here. Like, I can see what he was trying to do, but like, I don't know, this is way more colorful. Go see your local Ulta to see what is popping with this palette, because you may think like, oh, you know, I got a colorful palette or I got the 35B palette, but baby, let me tell you, this eye look is bomb, and the colors and pigmentation in this palette is so bomb. Like, James Charles did his thing when it came to this palette. You'll see how she this beautiful artistic look, then keep on watching. Guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna get started, and we're gonna do a bomb colorful look with like some lines, abstract lines, something like that. I don't know, I just want to get like real creative today. My Becca Ever Matte Poreless Primer for my eyebrows. You already know what I use this for. I clean up my eyebrows. So what I like to do is I like to take a light pencil in the front, and then I like to take Kiss Professional in the back. Like, it gives me this gradient effect, and y'all loved when I did my look in Atlanta. My Kiss Professional pencil in deep dark brown, and I'm going to take my MAC Strut pencil. I went ahead and took base number 4. Y'all already know I take number 5, but I took base number 4, which is Plouise, and we are about to test the new James Charles palette from Morphe in comparison to the 35B. Inspiration look, like we're gonna take we're gonna take colors from her look, well, Mitchell's look. We'll take the dark purple out of here, and we're going to apply this with a 167 brush from Morphe. Oh, okay, yeah. Now that's violet. That's like bright as fuck. Okay, James Charles, baby. I see bright coming through. When I say this purple is so vibrant and so fucking deep, oh my god, like I am so shocked. Like this red right here, this palette, this camera is not giving it justice. I don't know why. I'll put some saturation so that y'all can see the true colors. Colors is so pigmented, y'all. It's crazy. Okay, so I don't want as much red right there because I am trying to add 2 more colors. One shade right here, and we're gonna put that on top of the red. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is crazy. Look at that. Oh my god. So I'm trying to keep that orange down below by the red because I'm still trying to fit yellow on there, like yellow all the way up to my brow bone. But at this point, I think I'm only gonna do orange. Amazed, y'all. Like this palette is doing so good. Ooh, MAC 252 brush, y'all. It's big, but I tried to mold it to where it's flat. I washed it and then I concealed something with it, and I left the concealer on there still so it could be like stiff and flat. MAC 248 brush, and I'm going to basically perfect it. Let's take the green first out of this palette. I'm going to take the yellow. We're going to end with this green right here. These colors look so neon. The cut and everything was so good today. So proud. And the next color I'm going to go in with is blue. red and purple. What you doing now? You make you something to eat?
Yeah, mom's always Christmas tree. Is it not that Rice Krispies?
Did one eye, but I am gonna add some liner. I don't know which liner I'm gonna add. I did go to IMAX Atlanta 2018, y'all, and I picked up some Suva Beauty liners. So I went ahead and popped that liner on. Now I'm putting on my lashes from my lash line. I haven't found a name for them yet, so they are no name. To speed up this process, I went ahead and did my face with Jouer foundation and concealer in the shade Carob and Espresso, and then for the highlight I used ginger and amber. What I have to do is try the new Crayon Cases. I am a Crayon cutie. I'm going to try their setting powders, y'all, that they sent me. I'm going to do a whole review on their stuff, but I definitely want to try these today. These are two colors that I'm going to highlight with. So for Y, I'm going to cut out my cheeks with, and then N, I'm going to set my highlight. Is take my Desi times Katy highlighter. This is my favorite. I don't know. I keep using this. I'm so addicted. And this is how it looks. It's like the perfect shade. I'm gonna add a blue matte liquid lipstick to this. I don't know, it's calling my damn name for this look, and this is in the shade Presidential from what the hell? From Crayon Case, and then we're gonna do it on the under the eyes. Let's get it right. We're gonna do under the eyes after this. We're going to apply this in the inner tear duct right here. This is from Morphe Shimmer Eyeshadow color. I'm gonna apply that first, and then I'll add a pigment on top. Box of pigment, y'all. Add butter on top of that. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and hit that bell button for more notifications. And until then, I'll see you guys on the next video.